So today's lesson is lesson 10, review of verbs, nouns and pronouns. To learn what parts of speech a word is, ask yourself how is the word used in its sentences. To learn what part of speech is word is, ask yourself how the word used in the sentence. For example, in a sentence I below, paper is a noun, its name is a thing. In a sentence, to paper is a verb, it expresses action. So you can think the difference in between the words are using, somewhere it is using as a noun or somewhere it is using as a verb. So let's go to the example. For example, in a sentence I below paper is a noun. It paper is a noun, it names a thing. In the sentence 2, paper is a verb and it expresses an action. Number 1, I need more paper. Here paper is a noun. And number 2, the room will look better if we paper the walls. Like here is the paper is the verb. Now let's go to the exercise 1. Like many words in English, each of the following can be a noun or a verb depending on how it is used in a sentence. For each word, write two sentences. One thing the word as a noun and the other thing the word as a verb. Sample bridge. We are about ready to cross the longest bridge in the state. Gilliam bridges the gap in the age by taking an interest in her little sister dolls. But you have to think here using as a noun or as a verb, but the meaning also the word is different. Here paper is using something, you have to write this. And the room will paper, if we paper the walls, it says the covering of the walls. So there is a difference in the using the paper. So let's go to the some example. Bridge. Here bridge is the bridging of something, and we are about to ready to cross the longest bridge. It's a bridge, it's a noun. Gillian bridges the gap. Gillian bridges the gap. Bridges here is the verb. So bridges the verb. So there is another example. Monitor. She is our class monitor. As the monitor is an activity, right? And now computer monitor displays something, right? So monitor here also using the, somewhere is the noun and somewhere where he sees our monitor, he looks our activities. But computer monitor has gives some displays. So computer monitor is the, here is the noun. Train. So I have to go to New Delhi by train. Is a train, and then train I have is a train is a, as a noun, or I am using the train like I want to train myself. Here train is saying the training myself to do some work, right? Effect. So it's somewhere are we using the effect term in the sense of photo. If the give the light effect, it glows. The light effect as the verb, and to glow also the verb, and also is the adjective, and it and here is a we have to use as a noun, right? Sun's affects our sun's effect or affecting effect. Sun's affects our screen. Here also using effects. Effects is gives some vitamin, some things like that, vitamin D. So it's a effect as a verb, and we have to think about the noun. So we will think about the noun in later. So we are getting some example here. As you do this exercise, remember that verbs can be more than a word. As you do this exercise, remember that verb can be more than one word. Question 1, in the verb in the following sentence, melt or have been melt. In the verb in the following sentence, melt or have been melt. In the verb in the following sentence, melt or have been melt, the letters have been melt. In the verb in the following sentence, melt or have been melt, following sentence is the letters have been melt, the have been melt, answer is have been melt. As you do this exercise, remember that verbs can be more than one word. It is the verb in the following sentence, melt or have been melt, the letters have been melt, so answer will be have been melt. Note, whenever you ask for the verb of a sentence containing a verb phrase, give the whole word phrase, right? Exercise 2, name of the verb in each of the following sentence. Sample 1, they must have lost their way. So here must have lost is the verb. Anything can happen, here is the verb. You might have tried harder, you might have tried is the verb here. 3, is the trash being removed, is the trash being removed, trash being removed, being removed is the verb. They should have been invited, should have been invited is the verb. Jack should have been given another chance, should have been is here is the verb. Number 6, Elizabeth reads a book in a day, reads a book in a day. Elizabeth reads a book in a day, so reads a book in a day, reads a book, here is the verb. Are we here yet? Are we here yet? Here yet, here yet is the verb. Colin is studying physics, so is Colin is studying physics, calling is studying physics, so studying physics here is the verb. Notes can be tricky too, they change from depending on how they used as singular, plural, possessive nouns. On the next page is summary of the rules of formatting plurals of noun. Nouns can be tricky too, they change from depending on how they are used as singular, plural or possessive nouns. On the next page as a summary, as a next page as a summary of the rules of formatting plurals of nouns. A, most nouns books, most nouns books. See rule 1 page 28. Exception to A are A to X. Man, men, foot, feet, mouse, mice, women, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, child, children, louse, lease, ox, oxen. See rule 2, exemption of page 28. B, to most nouns ending in F, belief, beliefs. See rule 3, page 30. Bx, exception to B, lip, leaves, lip, lobes, have, halves, self, selves, selves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves. Number C, to nouns ending in a vowel plus y, way, ways, ways, ending with y, and the noun ending in the vowel plus y, A is the vowel plus y, so what will be it? Ways. To noun ending with a vowel plus o will be like radio. Here o is the ending with vowel o, here we the s adding with them, radios. To most noun ending in a constant plus o, autos, constant. The most nouns ending in a consonant, right, consonant. O is here is a consonant, so autos, outos. When to add es, exercise, exception to E. Potato, when to exception to E, right. Here we are using to most noun ending in a consonant plus O, like auto will be autos, and when to add es, ex, like that, like potato is the exemptions of e. Potato here ending with o, so we have to use s. No, we are not using s, we are using plus es. Potato, potatoes, yes, potatoes, potato, eco here also ending the word with a consonant. So what will be it? The eco plus es, ecos, echo, tomato, tomato here also ending with a consonant, tomato, yes, tomatoes. Veto plus es, vetoes. F, to noun ending in to noun ending in s, class plus yes, classes. So now f, to noun ending in s, class, classes, classes, class plus es, classes. Sh, wish plus yes, wishes. Ch, bench plus yes, benches. Ox, box plus yes, boxes. See rule 2, page 28, right? When to change y to I and add yes? When to change y to I and add es? When a noun ends with a consonant plus y, like ends with a consonant plus y. Consonant is the d is the consonant, and with plus y. So here will be lady, is, it will be added ies. When to change f to v and add is? When to change f to v? When to change y to is? When to change f to v and add s, h. In the following three nouns ending in fe and their compounds, like knife, knives, knife, and we are adding knives, life, lives, wife, wives, pen, knives, housewife, housewives. See rule 4, page number 30. For each singular noun below, write A, plural, and B, letter to the rule of the formatting that plural. Take your rule letters from the preceding 4 boxes. Sample, singular, plural, rule letter A. Okay, it is telling to write the the which rules are using here. So notebook, as it is notebook, it is completing with consonant and we'll be adding a s. So rule number A, right? Pen knife. So pen knife. So we are getting that where the word is ending, or the word is ending with fe, we have to write knives, pen knives, and the rule is h. Tax, we have to write down some things so that we can remember these things. So I am getting some exercise book to write this. So what will be it? Like notebook, notebook, notebook. The it is a word. It is a word ending with k consonant. So it will using notebooks. Notebooks, b double o k s, notebooks. Here notebooks I am typing, and the rule is a. And the pen knife, penknife, pen knife. So pen knife is the term, knife too we have to change it in a plural, pen knives, knives, knives. So what will be the rule? H. Tax, tax. So the word is ending with x. So it's a consonant, but its previous letter is vowel. So we have to add yes, taxes, taxes. The rules is rules is F. Now takes, now baby, baby. So what it is, so we are getting that where the word is ending with y we have to use ies, babies. The rules is g, the rules is g. And now the next item is ox. So ox, so we getting that the word is ending with x, and we have a before a consonant is a vowel, so we have to use en. Oxen, so what will be the rule, a to x, right? So now let's go to the complete. Number one, pencil. So pencil, the word ending with a consonant we have to use add a s, so what will be it, pencils. So what will be the rule, a. Leap, number two, leap, lea, leap. So we are getting that the word is ending with f, so have to use f, f or f, it's use ves, leap. So adding lea ves. So what will be the rule number, h. Child, child. So so it's coming to the lesson in the next time, it will be the children. So the rule will be also, I'll tell you later. The four is the tomato, tomato, tomato. So the word is ending with o, that is a vowel, and it is guided by a t as a consonant. So what will be it? Tomatoes, es, it will be add something, tomato is adding with es. So what will be the rule for it? So I will give you the rule book for later. Number 5, louse, it will be lives. Piano, I will give you the rule book later, as I have to study the rule book also, what is the rule books are taking from. So after that I will give it. Piano, pianos. Number 7, serif. So what will be the plural? Serifs. Number 8, torch, torch, torch. What will be it? Torches, torches. Number 9, echo, plus es, echoes, echo, echoes. Party, number 10, party, party. What will be the plural? Parties. Number 11, landlady, land, land, lady, landlady. What will be the plural? Land ladies. Number 12, women, women. What will be it? Women, women. Number 13, jackknife, jackknife. What will be it? Jackknives, knives. Number 13, alloy. What will be it? Alloys, alloys. Number 15, dash, dash. What will be it? Dashes. So I will give you the rule book properly in a different chapter, so that we can understand what it is going on. Number 16, stepchild, stepchild. What will be the stepchildren? Number 17, rodeo. What will be the it? Rodeos, like potatoes. So I will give you the rule book for also these things. And go to the 18, life. What will be lives? 19, pie. What will be the plural? Pies. Number 20, monkey. monkey. What will be it? Monkeys. monkeys. Right. So we are getting something singular to plural. To and next we are going to exercise 4. We have, as we have learned, a noun may have many as our forms. Now number 1, singular, singular, plural, possessive singular and possessive plural. So nouns have 4 forms, that is singular. We are writing this singular. Number 2, plural. Number 3, possessive singular, possessi, possessive singular, and possessive plural, and possessive plural. So you are getting this. So what will be that? Singular, in the singular noun it is using as a student, and plural students, 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 and possessive singular students, like using apostrophe as a possessive plural, possessive singular, and possessive plural. Let's think student, students, then apostrophe. So we are getting student as a singular noun, students as a plural, and possessive singular students apostrophe s, and the possessive plural is the students, apostrophe s will be the letter. Like, on each line below only one form of noun is given. Write the other 3 forms are given that noun. So we are writing this singular, plural, possessive singular, and possessive plural. Number 1, singular, girl. What will be it? Plural, girls. Possessive singular, girls, apostrophe s, and possessive plural, girls. Yeah, girls, apostrophe will be later. Number 2, children, children, children. So what will be the singular? Child. And what will be the possessive singular? Children, children, apostrophe s. And what will be the possessive plural? Children, children, apostrophe will be later. Number 3, teachers. Teachers is the plural, and form teacher is the singular form, and possessive singular, teachers, tachers, apostrophe s. And what will be the possessive plural? Teachers, tachers, apostrophe. So let's take some 4 example that will, if you can, nurse, nurs, nurse. And what will be the singular? Nurse, nurse. Nurses will be the plural, nurses, apostrophe s will be the possessive singular, and nurses, ses, apostrophe s will be later is the, what will be later is the possessive plural. Number 5, women. Plural will be women, possessive plural women's, and possessive singular women's, possessive plural women's, apostrophe s, apostrophe will be later. Read the following sentence have been numbered. J.R.R. Tolkien creates a complex fictional world, Middle Earth, in his trilogy of books, The Lord of the Rings. He called the first book The Fellowship of the Ring. In his book, Sauron is the Dark Lord of Mordor who derived his power from the One Ring. He wished to enclave Middle Earth by using the One Ring, but lost it before he could accomplish the goal. Though a odd twist of circumstances, the ring comes to a hobbit called Frondo Baggins. He and some friends from the fellowship and begin to journey to take the ring to the cracks of doom in the mountain Arduin inside Soren's realm. It is the only place where it can be destroyed. Frodo and friends have many adventures. They are chased by Ringworth. They pass through the Mystery Mountains and they proceed to Lorien, where Lady Galadriel lives. Here she tests them and gives them gifts. Eventually, Frodo decides his quest must lead him to Mordor, and he leaves secretly to continue it alone. Though tales of fantasy, the Lord of the Rings books do echo truths about the real world we live in. They will bring your hours to great reading. Exercise number 5. Write down antecedents of the pronouns listed below. Right. So we will do this exercise in the next class, so that the classes will be so long otherwise. So we will take this exercise in the next class, and we will go to the next lesson 11, that is adjective. Before go to the 11th lesson, we will must complete the pending tasks. What is this? We have done some tasks like rule book was not properly we are given here, so we will complete the rule book here, and we will get the proper rule book next day and along with this exercise. So thank you for joining everyone. Thank you.